Hi, I'm Dina Restaino. I'm a doctoral student in the Environmental Management PhD program at Montclair State University. I started my graduate work at Montclair State in the fall of 2011, where I entered the biology department as a master's student. And then during that time, when I was working on my thesis research, I realized that I really enjoyed the opportunities that I had here in working with Drs. Gaynor and Bologna. So I sort of spun that off into my PhD work, which I started in the fall of 2014. The Jellyfish Project became what I wanted to do because it was a blend of traditional bench work in sciences and field ecology. So I got to spend a lot of the summers out on the bay, working in the field, collecting specimens, and then I got to bring them back into the lab and do the molecular analysis on them. So it was a great combination, and that's really what I liked. I think the jellyfish started in my research because it was a big problem down the shore. And growing up in New Jersey, everybody goes down the shore, everybody goes on vacation there. And then when you realize the impact that the jellyfish can have on the ecosystem, and if you're interested in things like that, you see that this is super important and you want to study it and get to the bottom of what's going on. So I think that it sort of just cemented everything for me. I think that the doctoral program has a lot of focus on New Jersey, but I think that you can sort of broadly apply what we're studying here to other areas. So I'm looking at the New Jersey shoreline and the problems that we have. And yes, they're specific to New Jersey, but there are similar circumstances that happen, let's say, in like the Chesapeake or in other very developed coastal areas. So even if you train here and study in New Jersey, what the work you do is broadly applicable, which makes our graduates able to work all over the world, really.